this hair review. I am in love, you guys. This hair is amazing. It is in the color one at the top, and the bottom is like a auburn reddish color. You guys, I'm super obsessed. Look at these curls. The quality is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Even though it's a wavy curly, I can still run my fingers through it. I believe that this hair is a 24-inch wig. Here's the packaging. It is from I believe this is the Ombre Burgundy red wig, hand tied. It is a lace front. It has a little lace. I haven't cut it yet. I just tucked it underneath. And you guys, look at it does have a part right here with the little scalp. I'll go ahead and show you guys the back. Because how it looks. Look at that, you guys. So yeah, the quality is amazing. You guys see right here. It's super silky and shiny. I really love it. This is definitely gonna be my Christmas hair. I'm obsessed. Like I said, this is a 24-inch wig. It is synthetic, but it is heat resistant, so you are able to use heat if you want. The accessories in the bag, it did come with the taper to keep the shape. The little hairnet right here. It came with a wig cap right here, and I love this wig cap better because it is the like lace, not lace, but like it's the mesh wig cap. I like this better because it fits your head better than the just basic color wig caps. But you guys, I'm obsessed. I have no complaints about this hair. If you are gonna wash it, shampoo, condition, make sure you air dry it. Do not towel dry it. Do not blow dry it. Just let it air dry. You guys, look at this part. It is laced, like I said, but I did cut the lace. So if you guys did want it to look a little bit more realistic on the hairline, you can do that. But you guys, I'm super obsessed. Let's see how it looks like this, bringing the hair forward. It does have a comb in the front, and it does have the adjustable straps in the bottom, so you can adjust this wig to your head size, to your liking. But I haven't used the adjustable straps or the comb. I just put it on and just adjusted the little part on this side, and it fits perfect. It's not tight or anything. I love it. Oh yes, honey, I might be doing Merry Christmas. I'm just kidding, but I just love it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment box below. This is definitely gonna be my new favorite hair. I cannot wait to rock this. Yeah, so if you are interested, I will leave everything in the description box, the Amazon store, the links, and all the information that you guys need. It's amazing. It's amazing. I love it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys for next week.